Hey there, just wanted to give you a quick tutorial or help on how to create images, boxes or drawings when you're using Google Slides. Some of you are starting to use them to create some pretty cool projects, and this might be helpful. So you want to go up here. You have two ways to do it. You see this, these shape icons, these geometric shapes. You can click on that and then you see your options here. If you forget about that one, remember anything you want to put into your slide, you go to the insert menu, and the shape options are also here. So I pick my shape. I can pick a circle and I put a circle on there. I can change the size of my circle. I can change the color of my circle. And then, for example, if I'm making particles for a project, I can copy and paste that particle many times and put it anywhere I want. Also remember, if the slide is annoying, I can make the slide blank if the things are distracting, because you don't want any text boxes back there to mess it up. Like if you're trying to click and drag these guys around, you want to be able to do that. The other thing to keep in mind, there's all sorts of shapes on here. Okay. The other thing to remember is, let's say I always want these three circles to be together and I don't want their spacing to be different or apart. I can select all the circles. Oops, don't want those. I can select these three circles, and then I can do something called grouping, where those circles will all travel as a unit, or I can treat them as a unit in my slides. So I can go to Arrange, Group. You see I can also do Control-Alt-G. Now, when I click on them, I'm moving them as one object or thing. So remember, it's pretty easy to draw a variety of things in Google Slides and make it a more interactive, creative project. Hope this helps you guys.